Welcome to Qingdao Amerasia International School, where the sciences come alive in our IB middle years and diploma programs. Our students don't just learn about science, they discover, explore, and engage with real-world applications. Our mission is to inspire young minds to connect with science in a meaningful way.
In MYP Integrated Sciences, we foster curiosity by encouraging inquiry through hands-on experiences. We help students see how science is part of their everyday lives, building a foundation for creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Every experiment leads to new questions and discoveries, helping students develop a genuine love for science.
As students move into MYP years 4 and 5, students continue to explore integrated sciences with increasing depth. Learning from subject specialists in biology, chemistry, and physics helps build a strong foundation while keeping an interdisciplinary approach.
We guide students to understand the what, why, and how of science. Chemistry is all around us, from the food we eat to everyday products. Our focus is on making the learning experience rich and inquiry-based, preparing them for high-level studies.
In physics, students explore the fundamental forces that shape our world. Our integrated approach ensures that they understand fundamental concepts while connecting to real-life situations. Our approach prepares them for their e-assessment in integrated science, an online external exam which evaluates their understanding of key concepts and equips them with essential skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration.
In the Diploma Programme, we offer biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental systems and societies. Each subject challenges students to think critically and engage as young scientists. We encourage them to take ownership of their learning and contribute to solving global challenges.
Biology is about life itself. From genetics to ecosystems, our students connect biological processes to our global community, understanding how they impact health, sustainability, and the environment.
The DP Sciences at Qingdao Amerasia provide students with the skills and experiences to become next-generation scientists, researchers, and informed global citizens.
At Qingdao Amerasia, science is a way of thinking, a path to discovery, and a journey we take together. Our hands-on approach, interdisciplinary connections, and nurturing environment help each student reach their potential. We create future leaders ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow.